How to generate an image with Nano Banana. Let's generate an AI image step by step. First, we open the AI image generator. Next, we write a prompt describing the scene. For example, sunset beach landscape, soft waves, warm golden light, ultra realistic. Now we select the generator model. For this example, we choose Nano Banana. Next, we click Generate. In a few seconds, the AI creates several image variations. We can open any of them to view the full resolution. If the result is close but not perfect, we simply adjust the prompt. Then generate again. This simple workflow, prompt, generate, refine, is how most AI images are created today. Now you've seen how to generate an AI image step by step. Next, we'll look at 3 simple prompt tips that can significantly improve your results. Share this video with your colleagues and friends who work with design or content. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials.